All right. So this is the front of the our newest flip. Um, so massive house, 4 bedrooms, 3-car garage. As you can see walking up, it's pretty dated. Um, well, jumping right into it, I guess. But if you see the outside, that ugly rock, can't wait to show you what we did with that. We well, since it's the before, I won't talk about what we did, but the hardwood floors, I wanted to keep so bad, guys. You'll have to see at the end to see if we did keep them. The entire house, we were going to install an HVAC. Was the plan an HVAC, but we ended up installing 2 HVACs, 2 furnaces, that electric baseboard right there. We ripped all the baseboard electric out. And let's go down to the basement. And whenever the seller, not the seller, but whenever we flipped it and the buyer came in, the inspector said right there where that little opening was, there was so much like mice feces and just that type of stuff. But wow, seeing the basement, it really came a long way from what we did to it. And unfortunately, I don't think I have an after of the basement. People who know me personally and are interested in seeing the basement, reach out and I'll send you a picture of it. So walking into the kitchen, this was a disaster, but a massive kitchen. We actually ended up keeping the cabinets. The one thing that I wish we would have done with the cabinets is paint the inside of them. Our contractor did not paint the inside of the cabinets, so they're a different color on the outside and then that same brown on the inside. Massive pantry right there, and then walking into this bathroom. We actually didn't do much to this bathroom, but definitely painted it because that aqua color was just not doing it. Now we are about to head upstairs. Or no, just pop it on over. So that right there, that wall, I originally wanted to tear that out and put a separate entrance to that bathroom back there, but that was before I realized that that's where the electric for the washer and dryer was. But heading upstairs, you see the stairs are just all wood. It's the same nice hardwood once you get upstairs too. Except for some of these bedrooms have a fancy linoleum coverage. This one was like a weird like linoleum like rug vibe. I don't know how to explain it. It was like a sheet of linoleum and it was supposed to be like that. This bathroom we completely rip out and gut. And this bedroom right here, believe it or not, we find a way to make it smaller. Wait till you see what we did to that one. Yeah, I don't go up in the attic. There's just a furnace up there, but there's a lot of room in the attic too, and extra storage right there. Let's see, this bedroom. Oh, I forgot about this bedroom. There we go. The camera kind of focuses. The linoleum in this bedroom was just absolutely mind blowing of a pattern. Yeah, the light fixtures were definitely dated, but man, look at that linoleum. That is just too funny. Got the job done over those years though. Another bedroom here, all hardwood. There actually was no lights in this bedroom if I remember correctly. But stick around because you're going to want to see what we did with that bedroom. But the hallway was just standard hallway. Going back down the steps, I noticed like I was about to hit my head like coming down. So we kind of had to make that a little better too. But this is the after now. We did a lot of landscaping outside. We painted trim around the windows black, the poles black, the doors black, and then you'll see the garage door, the entryway, and all 3 garage doors we actually painted black as well. We thought we were going to have to replace them, but we didn't. There's the 2 HVACs. Remember that brown rock? Well, we painted that white. It looks just a whole lot better now. We had a squirrel that got into our pumpkin. And that's the same original door, too. We just painted it black. So, obviously, as you can see, we didn't keep the nice hardwood. There was too much cost there to refinish them all and to do it. So, we just made it easy on ourselves and just put LVP. Painted the whole house white. I think we kind of wish we didn't do white afterwards, but as you see, the stairs looked really good there with the black with the white, though. This dining room, as you remember, the baseboard electric we ripped out. I don't go down the basement. I wish I would have. Kitchen, you can see it's like night and day. We kept the cabinets, painted them. All new appliances. We had to install that microwave and add the hood vent out or not the hood vent, but the exhaust outside. That fridge we actually had to cut into the cabinets to get it to fit. Walking back to that bathroom, remember it was just an aqua color and now it's white. And I think we reglazed that tub too. Oh, and that dishwasher right there in the kitchen was not there. We installed the dishwasher, new granite countertops. You see the stairs. The stairs just look so good. And then if you remember, there used to be an entry right there to the left to one of the bedrooms. That's no longer there. That bathroom, like I said, we had to completely gut that bathroom. We kept everything in the same spot, though, just for plumbing purposes. But everything in that bathroom is brand new. And then this bedroom, we added that closet over there in the corner, and it really just killed the space of being able to put a bed in here, but now it's an actual formal bedroom. So really that's just an office or maybe a nursery. And then this bedroom, we added that closet back there as well, but this had all the flower linoleum and it's no longer there. And then now, walking into the primary bedroom, you'll see that we combined those 2 bedrooms and added a bathroom back here in the corner for the primary suite. So this bathroom wasn't there. It's all brand new. Nice fresh tile work. And the only thing that I wish we would have redone a little bit was that closet there in the corner. I wish we would have just made it a little bit bigger, but as we peek out right here, there's the garage. Good shot of the garage. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.